Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this question, we learn how to evaluate the binary given. Okay, in this question, we are going to follow the rule of both mass. We are going to done with the multiplication before the addition. Let the multiplication will be done first before the addition. Then we arrange it as 1 1 0 1. This is multiplied by 1 1. Okay, we keep the addition one. Let's solve the multiplication first. Then we have 1 times 1 here is 1, 1 times 0, 1 times 1 here is 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1 also is 1. Then we multiply this by this, have 1, 1 times 0 here is 0, times 1 is 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, this is 1. Now we can add. This addition is not with this one, but also if you are dealing with multiplication of binary, you must add. Okay, now we have 1 plus 0 here is 1, 0 plus 1 here is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, the one you carry here, we attach here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, we have 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1, since this is the last number, we can write as 10. Okay, remember they asked to add with the last number, which is 101, which is 101. Let's add. We add these numbers, we get 1 plus 1 also is 0, carry 1. The one you carry, we attach with this one. If you add with this one, will be again 0, carry 1. If you add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry 1. The one you carry here is 1. Again, 1 plus 0 here is 1. 0 plus 1 here is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then that is, if you evaluate this one, the answer will be 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. And this is how you can evaluate a binary that contain multiplication and addition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video like this. Bye.